SGD. Good?
Huh? Very good. Thank you.
Tourist spot here. Tourist spot. Tourist spot. Tourist spot? Yeah.
Starting with you.
Okay, so this one. Okay, how we go from, where are we? Okay, and then where's the old quarter?
This green color area is the old quarter. It's only 3 minutes away. Yeah, tonight you can have a look.
That's close, pretty close.
Yeah. We can go. Yeah,
We'll go to the up top bar. We have a look up top.
Yeah, we can check first.
Okay.
We have a discount, big discount for
That's right in the room. Yeah.
Yeah, 30%.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the voucher.
Okay. Yep, got that one. Yep.
Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
But you want to walk first.
We'll just go up top first.
Later, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. This is it. Oh, this is the view. Oh, there you go. There we go, Bubba. Oh, this is nice there. It's a bit croaky. So just going to look around here. So this is the top part. Very smoky, but I gotta say, very smoky. Where's Bubba? There's Bubba there. Okay. Good view. Hello. Wow, this is really cool, Bubba. Bubba says it's cold. It's not. It's beautiful, actually. It's really nice. Have a look around here. Isn't that cool? Hey?
Cold in Hanoi.
It's nice. I can handle the cold, Bubba. Do you like the smoke? It's a bit smoky, but...
No, it's foggy. It's foggy because
there's smoke. There's pollution.
It can be.
Pollution.
It can be. Yeah.
Yeah, pollution. I think.
Let's go down. We have to check out the night market.
Okay, Bubba. Okay. Straight.
Straight and then left.
Ha Long Bay, Nhi Bin Tour Park. Yeah, Ha Long Bay. Yeah. Yeah. Bar tour. Tours there. Hanoi City tour. So it's Bubba, we lose it. Fruit. Later. Yeah. Yeah, we'll come back. Okay. Rightio guys, we are going to get some food. Bubba's asked the hotel where to go for some food. So we're just walking down here the first time in Hanoi. As you can see, complete stop. You can go around this way. People just stop when they go. We're trying to walk as fast as we can, I guess. So, I'm supposed to have something on here tonight. The lady at the hotel was saying. It's where's Bubba? Where's dear? Where is she? You lost her. Where is she? I don't know where she's gone now. I lost her. There she is. That's the thing?
Concert.
Okay.
Hambak, we go to Hambak first.
Yeah.
Later we eat first Hambak.
Okay, this way?
Yeah, Hambak.
Okay. Yeah, where are we going? This way? You know where you're going?
I don't know.
She knows where we're going.
Hanggang? Where is this?
Run over here, Bubba.
Wait.
Ask somebody. Where's the map say? What's the map say? Map. Yeah.
Where is this? Lorong.
Launch. Bit of action going on here. So I did the Ho Chi Minh City in one of these. Over an hour, I think. Those Eastern night markets. There's heaps of stuff here to buy. Yay! Want something fun? No. Turn around this way.
This is Hangdao. Where Hangdao?
Okay, Bubba has no idea where we're going. She can't follow directions. The corner, got the corner here. That's Chocolates. Chocolates here, Bubba. You alright? Okay, she knows where she's going. I think she knows where she's going. I think we're going to get lost anyway. It doesn't really matter. All these shoes. Wow. Oh, there's fairy floss here. People selling, you got to sell something. Fairy floss. Spinners, all these shoes, Bubba. Hey, Bubba's got plenty of shoes. Chocolate. We won't say no to chocolate. There's different chocolate here. It's really great. It's really good spot there.
Yeah, this is the...
Yeah. All the fridge magnets there. Hanoi. That's a train. I think the train goes through, Bubba, there. Yep. There we go. Slay's got a cart. All this stuff. Funnels and all sorts of stuff here. Pegs for your clothes. Huh? Bubba's spotted some clothes already. I think that's the train. And he just, I think I've seen that on the TV. All right. I'm still trying to find directions here. Just asking directions. Ask directions and seek and you shall find. All right. Okay. Bubba likes it. This is Bubba's idea to come to Hanoi, Vietnam. It's actually, it's nice and cold, but look, this is, yeah, more fruit. Trying to keep up with Thailand, Bubba. I think the fruit like Thailand. So I said to Bubba like Thailand because there's always street vendors selling fruit. Pizza there, dear. What are you having dinner, Bubba? We're hungry.
Here.
We're here? Okay. That's where she's going.
I'm trying to find it at.
Oh, what's this camera sticking out?
Huh?
What's this camera?
Where are we?
Up.
Lotus, jasmine, coffee, and tea. Where is
Coffee.
that?
Sit straight up.
This one, hang back. Okay, here we go. Hang back. And then May. We go to May.
Okay. Back.
May.
Making progress.
May.
Hey?
Wait.
Making progress, Bubba?
This one, Mommy.
This one? Oh, okay.
Papa, this
This one? Where? Okay, wait, this way. Wait, go. Where are we going? Smells of motorbikes.
Mommy, wait, Mommy. And then...
Not sure.
Yeah, Mommy, and then lorong ngek, okay?
Yeah, see, that's where she's going. I think more street food. Oh, Bubba. Looks good down here, Bubba. It's really good down here. Hey?
Lorong ngek.
This looks pretty good down this way. Oh, salmon.
Sapa trekking.
Huh? Trekking? Sapa trekking. Is it the one?
Yeah.
Oh, we found it.
Yeah,
The
that's
New Day restaurant. Finally found a Bubba. Okay.
$6. It's okay. Good. Six
Yep.
bucks. This one.
Trying to sell the food there. Hello. Let's go in here. Oh, screen. Okay. Happy? This one? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice and quiet. Yeah. Not afraid of the camera. Yep. Nice. Thank you.
They beef with black peppers. That is spring roll.
Spring roll.
Yeah, spring roll.
Spring roll, Bubba. Is that big?
That's our entree.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. All right, so you go. Oh, you have? Yeah, fork? Fork? Yeah, fork. Okay, no, I see you go. So beef soup. And there you go. I'm hungry, so should go well. Right, and do the carrot. This carrot's pretty good. Beef soup. Spring rolls are nice. A bit of lemon. So hungry, just ate it so quick.
Set meal?
Set meal. That's the chicken. That's the beef, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Lobby.
Lobby.
L-O-B-I.
Very happy, very happy. Thank you. There you go, so we're about to walk out, but we...
Yeah. Has some dessert.
Dessert, okay.
You forgot the dessert?
Yeah, we forgot the dessert.
Yeah.
Cheers, thank you. Okay.
Bye-bye. Yes, sir. Nice, Baba.
Nice. Oh, welcome to Hanoi, Bubba. Welcome to Hanoi. So Bubba said around 10 USD for all that, Bubba.
9 USD per person.
Right, you put my name in your review.
Okay.
Thank you.
So much.
Okay, thank you. Cheers, thank you.
For Singapore dollars.
24 Singapore dollars. There you go. New Day Restaurant, Vietnamese cuisine. There you go, dear. That's good. We sat over there. Okay? Hey!
One more time.
Yeah. Take care. Go up in the New Day Restaurant there. He's pretty happy guy. They're happy here. I like when the people are happy. You get a Bubba? Got the map? Yeah, okay.